Alright, so this is Discord PC controller. Alright, this is the app that lets you control your computer through Discord messages, right? That means your friends can control it if you let them. You can control from any device, anywhere, super easily. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and install the installer. Alright, so install bot.exe. I already have this installed, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And then what I want to do is just hit run, and it'll say, do you give it admin access? Say yes. Alright, and let's go ahead and just follow the instructions. Okay, so the first step is head to the settings page. Okay, so open Discord, head to settings. Alright, got that. Enter. Okay, scroll down to the advanced section and click on it. Scroll down, advanced, click on it. Alright, enter. And turn on developer mode and exit settings. So turn on that developer mode, exit settings. Okay, enter. Now make a Discord server with just you in it. Alright, and you can name it wherever you want. And so this will actually let the bot DM you. So if you want to use it privately without anyone else knowing, right, this lets you do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just make a server, just server, I don't know. Okay, and let's go ahead and create that. Right, so this is the server. Cool. Right, and we did that. Hit enter. Now we're gonna head and just send any random message. All right, and the only reason we're doing this is so we can right click on the profile picture and copy our user ID. Right, because we need that so that it knows who to DM and who is the owner of the bot, right? And so this will let you also do some more things, such as using commands, all right, and shutting down our computer remotely. So if you want to shut down a computer or use commands, you need to make sure you have the right user ID. So go ahead and hit enter, and go ahead and hit paste it, all right? And then by default, the bot will send you a screenshot, or whoever's messaging it, a screenshot of the screen, all right, after every command that has any sort of visual changes like typing or moving your mouse or clicking, things like that, right? And so by default, it will do that automatically. You can hit enter to continue like that, or if you don't want that, just type N and then hit enter like that. All right. But you do have to remember, there is also a dot screen command, which means that anyone who has access to the bot can just type that command in and see a screenshot of the screen. All right. So no matter what, this bot does have access to take screenshots. So I'm just gonna hit yes to enter. All right, now we'll open a new tab and we're gonna sign into our Discord account. I've already signed into here, so I'm just gonna hit get started. Okay. And now the next step is to click on the new application button on the top left, top right of the screen. My bad. Gotta change that, and then go ahead and enter to continue. All right, and then you can go ahead and name the bot whatever you want. Let's go ahead and name it Jeff. All right. And then I'm gonna click the checkbox, create, and I'm a human. And there we go. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on the bot tab to the left of the screen and hit the reset token button. All right. And yes, do it. Okay. And then you might need to authenticate, so go ahead and authenticate. Once you see the token, go ahead and hit copy. You do not want to share this with anybody at all, okay? Because if you do, they have access to Discord bot, right? So I'm gonna delete this whole bot by the time you're gonna see this video, but yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead, paste into here, hit enter, okay? Now scroll down the same tab, and you see these two, server members intent and message content intent. Enable those two. Those actually let the bot, do stuff, okay? And while you're here, you can also go ahead and change the bot's icon right here and its username right here. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and go to the general information tab on the left of the screen. Okay, and we're gonna copy this description right here. It's Control C. Okay, and then paste right here so that if we ever get lost, we know where to go for more information. Okay, enter to continue. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the OAuth 2 tab. All right, on the left, and scroll down a little bit. Okay, and you want to enable the bot checkbox. So under here, third column, bot checkbox right here. Scroll down a little bit more. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the text permissions section. All right, and enable send messages. Okay, manage messages, embed links, attach files, read message history, and use slash commands. Okay, got that. Hit enter. And now you want to go ahead and copy that URL at the bottom of the screen. Open a new tab, paste it, and continue Discord. All right. and go ahead and add it to whatever server you want. For obviously you have to add it to the private server so that it can DM you, okay? But you can also add to any server with your friends or something like that. If you do trust them with access to your computer, all right, then you can go ahead and add it to your group chat or whatever, and give them access. All right, so I'm gonna hit continue, make sure it's all confirmed, authorize. Okay, I am a human. Cool. Right, I can close this tab. It might open Discord, right? And right, because it's already done here. Okay, you can see Jeff is in the server. He's offline, but he's in the server. All right, and he has a description and all that kind of stuff. Cool. Now we'll go ahead and hit enter to continue, and go to the installation tab on the left of the screen. All right, and then you want to under guild install add bot to the scope section. Hit save. Okay, and then in permission is going to add the following person, the same one as before. All right, do attach files. Okay, embed links. All right, manage messages. Okay, read message history, send messages, and use / commands. Okay, now go ahead and hit save. Okay, hit enter. Now it's going to go ahead and start installing and downloading everything. All right, so let it just do its thing. Okay, cool. Now it's all done installing. You want to go to the new folder that I just made. All right, and this will automatically close in a few seconds. So I'll go ahead and open here, right? You see right next to the installer file that you downloaded, right? We now have a new folder called Discord PC Controller, okay? You want to go ahead and open that. Inside there's another folder, open that. And there's a exe file, you want to run that. And say yes when the pop-up shows up. All right, and now it's running, okay? And see, it just said Jeff is ready. Click on that. This is my DMs. Jeff just DM'd me saying he's ready. And these are all the commands that are available. All right, so you can go ahead and have fun. Right now, I can go ahead and be like, dot type hello there. All right, now when I hit enter, look at that, I type hello there because I'm running on my computer right now, and send a screenshot saying hello there was typed. All right, and I could do dot mouse 100 100. All right, watch my cursor just move, and it sends a screenshot showing that my mouse has moved. I don't know, it's a little too fast, but you can always ask for another screenshot if you need to. Okay, and the best part is I can go ahead and whatchamacallit, I can also go ahead and do this with my phone, right? So I can go ahead and log into my phone, type these messages, and it won't do it on my phone, right? It'll still do everything that you're seeing right here on this computer, all right? And then when I'm done with Jeff, right, I don't want him to, you know, be online anymore. I can do .k to kill him, and he's gone, right? Now he's offline. And if I ever want him back online again, I can go ahead and run that file again, okay? And Jeff is right back in action. There we go. So that's the bot. Go ahead and have fun.